stars, how are you all? Welcome to the class of business studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is consumer protection. Consumer protection aims at protecting the rights of consumers against exploitation, educating them about their rights and responsibilities, and providing them speedy redress of their grievances. If we talk about the consumer protection, then from consumers' point of view, consumer protection is important because consumer ignorance is there. Illiteracy and lack of education, lack of information, that is the real cause of misleading the people, being misguided by the marketing persons. So it is necessary to educate them about all the products and to protect them from fake informations that are given just to increase the sales. Widespread consumer exploitation. Consumers are widely exploited by various companies because of unfair trade practices, defective material, unsafe products, misleading advertisements, etc. are the main reasons. Unorganized consumers. Consumers are unorganized, so that is also importance of consumer protection. Effectiveness of single consumer against exploitation is not effective as the voice organized consumer body can be. So they should be organized. If we talk from the businessman's point of view, then consumer protection is important for the long-term interest of the company. The company is using the society's resources, thus it is responsibility of the business to provide better quality goods and services to the society. Next, social responsibility. Consumer protection is the social responsibility of the organization to earn loyalty and goodwill reputation in the long run. Moral justification. Business is a part of society and it has some moral values. Business ethics guide the businessman to be socially responsible and to work for consumer protection. Government interaction. Companies can avoid the government interaction or actions by practicing fair practices and protecting the needs and interests of the consumers. There are 6 consumer rights: right to safety, right to be informed, right to choose, right to be heard, right to seek redressal, and right to consumer education. Right to safety means consumers should be protected against goods and services which are hazardous to life, health, or property. They should purchase the quality mark products such as ISI, AgMark, etc. Right to be informed. They should be properly informed about the quality, about the quantity, about the purity, standards, and price of goods and services. Right to choose. Consumer is the king of market. Consumer is having a proper right to choose best among all the options available in the market. Right to be heard. Whenever the consumer is dissatisfied, he feels that he has been misguided or he has been misled by somebody, he has the proper right to seek redressal through consumer courts and other redressal machineries. Right to seek redressal. Again, consumer has the right to get relief or compensation against the unfair fair practices or exploitation. He has to be paid for the losses that the companies do by unfair practices. Right to consumer education. Consumer has the right to acquire knowledge and skills to be an informed consumer. It is important right available to the consumers. They have to acquire the knowledge and skills to be informed and become an informed consumer. So this is about the rights of consumers. So this was all for today. In our next video, we will study about. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shen Stars. Take care, all of you.